Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog ay pupunta kami ng Erin, Ontario. Nagbook kami ng bed and breakfast, Tailwinds Bed and Breakfast. And yeah, it's just like I guess an hour from Kitchener. Tsaka na-curious ako dun sa place na yon kasi 5-star rating siya sa Google and about like around 200 plus reviews and all 5-star rating. So, yung mataas yung rating niya talaga. Kaya, yeah, we're going there. Let's see. Welcome to Tailwinds.
I thought it was like an old house.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ito yung kanilang sort of reception counter. So, bawal ang sapatos sa loob. Ayan. Kaya, kamedyos tayo ngayon. This is the Century Room, guys. Wow. It's huge. Guys, this is the bed. And since mataas siya, meron sila ditong mini stairs or mini ladder. So, takit tayo dyan. O, diba? O, ha? Ganda dito, guys. Super relaxing as in. Guys, meron silang free chocolates. Ooh, nice. You know, those details. Super nice. Yun na, guys. Ito yung toilet. Ganda. Sobrang laki. Ang laki din ng ng countertop. Wow, very relaxing. Look at that. Super relaxing. Kompleto din ang gamit. Oh my gosh. Ito, guys, is para siyang shared na bathroom. Pero meron kaming bathroom sa loob ng room namin. But, ito, pwede kang gumamit ng bathtub. And look at that. Wow. It's huge. Ito yung dining area, guys. Wow. Ang ganda. Tapos, guys, meron silang mga utensils and glasses, mugs here na pwedeng gamitin. Yan. Ganda dito, guys. Super relaxing. Wow. This is the sunroom, guys. Super nice sunroom. Play games. You have a lot of like puzzles. Sa dining table.
Ito daw wala. Ang puzzle daw ito talaga nila. Ang purpose nito.
Some cream, fruits here, butter, and
Some
poached
bread.
egg,
Oh,
sausage, bread, some juice. This is our breakfast. How's your food experience? Breakfast. So good.
What do you call that? Italian word. What's that called?
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Bravissimo.
Bravissimo.
So good. Hi guys! So, nandito ako ngayon sa Erin, Ontario, which is like an hour away from Kitchener, Ontario. So, nagstay kami sa Tailwinds Bed and Breakfast. So, pinili namin yung Tailwinds as a vacation place for this summer kasi sobrang ganda ng reviews niya sa Google. And talaga naman guys, grabe. Maganda yung place, very relaxing, and yung service nila sobrang okay. Si Janet and Trevor, yung may-ari nung place, minimake sure nila na comfortable yung pagstay ng mga guests. And of course, yung breakfast nila guys, grabe, sobrang panalo. Yung sinerve sa amin is may eggs, may sausage, fruits, bread, croissant, and then banana bread na grabe guys, para kung ano, na prinsesa sa way ng pag-serve nila guys. Para kang nasa European country and royal family, parang ganon. So, yeah guys, check out Tailwinds Bed and Breakfast. Guys, dito sa Erin, Ontario, like ngayon, nagdi ako ngayon sa malapit sa Wellington County Library. Tsaka meron ditong like creek na pwede nyong i-enjoy yung ambience. So, very relaxing dito guys sa Erin, Ontario. Very laid back. So, if you want that kind of vibe, relax lang, chill lang. And if you want to have some downtime, and yeah, come here in Erin, Ontario. Also guys, nag-rent kami ng car sa Commune Auto, which is convenient yung pag-rent ng car. And as well as mura siya compared sa other car rental services. So also check that out.
Tapos na ang peak season ng lavender na. Still nice.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot hear you, but I know you can hear me. About 10,000 lavender plants. To my behind me, there's beehives with about 100,000 bees.
Wow. Scary. 100,000
Our
bees.
beekeeper will be here on Monday when Republic is not. He figures he's going to get 400 or 500 pounds of honey.
Wow.
That is our honey crop for this year. We sell honey in the shop. That's our crop from last year. To mow this farm.
Yeah.
That's not all of the farm. That's just the parts that we want you to see. And then it takes us about another 50 to 100 hours to weed whack around the trees to give them nice exposure.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Erin Hill Acres Farm. Super nice dito guys. I'm not sure if you can see. Ayan o. Meron silang, anong tawag dito? Cows. Highland cows. And merong sunflower farm, lavender farm. Tapos nag-grow sila ng mga Christmas trees dito. And nag-wagon ride din kami. Tapos may entrance fee pala dito. For us, dalawa, $27. And yeah, parang $13 per person. And yeah, nice ito guys. Guys, meron pang pa-bonfire yung may-ari. Bait-bait nila. Everyone nga kami ng bonfire. Our bonfire experience in Erin, Ontario, Tailwinds.